podcasts are really interesting in diving into the science on red light therapy to understand how it can help us improve being healthy from the inside out so we can thrive as we age and not struggle. So I'm Debbie Paz. I am a functional diagnostic nutrition practitioner, metabolic health coach, endurance athlete, ex-competitive athlete, and I created the holistic method, gosh, over 10 years ago. And now I'm adding in the future you blueprint. Today, I wanted to do a little blurb about how we can use red light therapy for joint health, recovery, and inflammation support. Red light therapy, it's not about chasing the new biohack, a new trend. It's about supporting your body's natural repair system so you can keep moving, continue training, and living fully every day and in the future. So, we've talked about red light therapy, but let's start with the basics. Red and near infrared light therapy works by delivering specific wavelengths of light that you can penetrate through the skin and underlying tissues. These wavelengths interact with your cells, especially your mitochondria, which you've heard me call cellular power plants. And we've talked a lot about the mitochondria and cell danger response and how mitochondria we measure doing metabolism testing. We talked about mitochondria cell autophagy for years, but talk about how red light therapy can help us at a cellular level improve energy production and encourage improved blood flow and circulation and help the body's own natural inflammatory response. We want to support tissue recovery after stress as our workouts and even daily wear and tear. And I actually took this device with me on a trip to Italy I had earlier this year. I just want to show you, it's just charging it up. So it's called Kineon. And it comes, I just charge it in this little pack here. And I took this with me on the airplane. And it's this cute little package. It all connects to this battery pack in here and charges. So I just was charging it. And then I take this device or strap, it's not a device, but the red light, snap it in here. This goes this way, wrong way. So make sure you've got the right way. And then there's the third one. So there's these three devices, red light therapy, and then the band, which I'm missing the clip, needs to loop through here, but you can fasten it up and you can shorten this up different distances. So I actually have been doing it around my neck in the evening. I'm just placing it around here, or someone that had knee injury as myself had something going on behind my knee. This is why I took it on the airplane with me, and you can just wrap it around. So you can take this and place that specific injury or areas you're trying to work instead of a larger panel. So it's direct, you don't want to put on your face. But understanding when to use red light therapy, why, and how it can support the aging process. It's giving your cells that gentle signal to do their job more efficiently, not forcing and not overstimulating. This aligns perfectly with how I like to coach my clients. Support the system, don't override it. Now, this brand, I like to use Kineon MOVE for injuries and for specific spots, as I said, and that it's not just red light. It's a targeted wearable system designed specifically for joints. And Kineon, I want to blind you, but this just can push it on the button here, 10, 15-minute programs, red light therapy device, low impact movement support. You can move with it, and targeted application, as I said, behind the knee or your shoulder, or as I was doing it neck for my thyroid, but you can help your recovery, joint comfort, knee support, and help with your recovery so you can train again. And I really think it's a powerful device as we age to help post-workout. And I was doing this in the nighttime while I was stretching, and you can set the timer, that's 10 minutes. And if you hold it down, that's 15 minutes. So you can just try the different cycles, and then 5. So 5, 10, 15. and then you just hold it down eventually and push the right button and turn it off. So this is one little trick you can do for injuries, and I think it helps for sure target application. I think is the biggest benefit of that device. So instead of guessing or layering different multiple tools, Kineon red light therapy helps you focus, say, the knees, joint mobility, and more. So good for traveling. Let me know if you have questions. I'll put the link and more information